Right, this is the last step. Normally, you may have to do step 10. Most of the time, you might not even have to do step 10. What I mean by that, normally, as I shown you on the last step, so normally you should see that this is matching perfectly. So only the top bit, this three portion is to be done. And that is the case for these three cubes, which is almost sorted, but the what you call 1 2 3 portions needs to be done, and the other bit is sorted. But on this one, that's not the case. On this one, which was by luck, we didn't have to do the yellow bit. This one, so sometime you'll see after doing everything, you'll see there are four sides which needs to be done. Okay, that's if that's the case, what do? You put the yellow at the top. Normally that should be the case all the time. You choose any side on this one, it doesn't really matter. This is the biggest Rubik cube circle you're going to do. So remember to either count 1 to 4 or count 1 to 20. I find 1 to 20 is a bit easier for me, so I can count myself like how far I am. Okay, so what do? This is you'll be doing 1R, which is this one. Have a look. 1 right algorithm, 1 left algorithm, then 5 right algorithm, and 5 left algorithm. Okay, 1R, 1 left, 5R, 5 left. So what I mean by that, so you're holding the cube yellow at the top. So 1 right algorithm, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1R is done. Then 1 left, 1 2 3 4. 1 left is done. Then you do 5R. Instead of counting 1 to 4 1 to 4 1 to 4, count 1 to 20. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so 5R is done. Then 5L, 5 left algorithm, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, if we do that, now we'll see this is matched. So only these three sides, three top one needs to be done. So I had to do 1R, 1L, 5R, 5L to bring up to this side. Okay, so now all the Rubik cube, they're the same scenario. So you've got one side fully matched, the bottom and top already matched, but the other three corners need to be only needs to be solved the bottom, the middle part. Okay, so again, exactly the same thing. This one, what you have to do, let's start with this one. Before you could have chosen, see, for this one you could have chosen any side, but for this one, what do? Yellow will be at the top, white will be at the bottom, and the color which matched, that has to be facing you. So you cannot choose this color, otherwise you have to do the same 1R, 1L, 5R, 5L again. But now the color which matched, it has to be facing you. So this has to be facing you. For this cube, the green has to be facing you, because see the yellow top, white bottom, the green has been sorted, so green will be facing you. This one, luckily the green, okay, it could have been any color. For this one, okay, is green. Normally it can be any color, like for this one is orange. So what do? 1R, 1L, 5R, 5L. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So 1R, 1L done, then 5R. Okay, because you have to do a lot more, so I cannot slow down now. And then 5L, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so after doing that, you'll see sometime even if you have done everything correctly, this hasn't finished. Doesn't matter if you see that you have what you have done, you're actually at the same stage that you started. Just keep following the basic 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, that's it, sorted now. Okay, now let's try with this one. Okay, and the green is facing you. 1 2 3 4, 1 right, 1 2 3 4, 1 left, then 5R. Okay, then 5 left. Okay, this time, okay, again didn't match properly, so this can happen, but it's very rarely it's happening twice. So again, 1R, 1 left, 5R, 1 2 20. Okay, that's it. Matched. Okay, so the same case, it will be exactly the same. Okay, so let's do it. So because I like the sound of it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 16 20 4 8 12 16 20. Okay, see, this one matched straight away. So normally we expect to be like to match straight away, but sometimes it doesn't. That's it. So you have got all three that we are supposed to match. So all three are matching live, no cutting. So hopefully if you try, you should be able to solve it. I'm gonna do one more bonus video where I can show you how can I make the cube look a bit nicer. So wait for the next video. I'm gonna upload a bonus video very soon.